To send and receive your online payments, you need a PayPal account. PayPal is a free service and you can create a personal or business account. You can read more details for personal and business account on their website. Almost all of your clients will send you payments via PayPal. Payoneer and Skrill are alternative options. All of my clients prefer PayPal and some of them also use Payoneer service. So just visit paypal.com, click on sign up for free button to create your free account. You can see two options, personal account and business account. You can shop online or send and receive money, all without sharing your payment info. But if you will choose a business account, you can accept PayPal and all cards online, send secure invoices to your customers as well. So it's up to you. So choose personal or business, because you are going to start writing for your client, so you can choose business account. It's your personal choice. Click next. You can see three options: Payments Pro, Payments Standard and Express Checkout. I prefer Payments Standard. You will be able to accept all major credit cards and debit cards, and you can also accept PayPal payments. So just select Standard. Next you need to enter your email address, enter all the information, complete the sign up process.